We are profoundly jealous and honored to have this opportunity standing before you to recite a poem titled Preschool is Done. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Welcome. Sticky fingers, running nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, shapes and colors, A, B, C, toothless smile, hugs and giggles, circle time, lots of figures, learning how a flower grows, milk and cookies, first time friend, thinking days like this won't end. Preschool is done before you know it. Like a butterfly, time has flown. You have learned, you have grown. So take off now, spread your wings. Say goodbye to able teacher Anne. Say goodbye to able teacher Anne. Thank you. We are profoundly jealous and honored to have this. We thank our manager, head teacher, deputy, head of Dini, teachers, parents, staff and students for your contribution and dedication. This internship will not have achieved the greatness that we are here to celebrate today. Thank you.